What's up, guys? Welcome back to AppGeeker. If you are watching this video, the probable cause is that you are faced with forgetting the iPhone lock screen passcode and particularly long to fix it well. Don't be upset. In today's video, we will teach you 3 ways to remove the lock screen passcode from your device, so keep watching. Okay, if you enter the wrong passcode several times ceaselessly, an iPhone unavailable or security lockout error will be displayed on the screen. The more wrong attempts you try, the longer time you need to wait. After 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 1 hour. When the tries reach 10 times, your device will prevent you from doing anything on it, as well as the latency time will disappear. In order to remove the forgotten passcode, you need to erase and reset your device so that the lock screen passcode can be taken away simultaneously. Alright, the first method I'm going to show you is to use the Erase iPhone feature to remove the passcode and unlock your iPhone, which was released by Apple on the system of iOS 15.2 and later. This feature is generally found on the screen that says iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes. The extra condition is that your device has to connect to a network before it's locked up. So once it appears, tap on it. Then tap Erase iPhone again. Enter your Apple ID password in the field to make the erasure process starts availably. All the data will be erased during the whole period of this process, and it may take some time. You need to wait patiently. Once finished up, you'll see the Hello screen, swipe up, and go to set up your phone. If your device doesn't meet the criterion for the Erase iPhone option to happen, you can try a third-party tool called iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker to remove the forgotten passcode. Download it from AppGeeker's official website or click the link at the bottom of the video. It's pretty flexible and simple to operate. Okay. Now let's open iPhone Unlocker. Click Wipe Passcode on its main interface and then click the Start button. Next, the software will prompt you to connect your unavailable iPhone to the computer. However, your device will not be connected to the PC successfully if it is an iPhone unavailable or security lockout. Don't worry, this situation can be easily handled. What you need to do is to place it into recovery mode. Entering recovery mode requires different operations based on your iPhone model. Suppose you have an iPhone 8 and a newer model. Connect your iPhone to the computer, press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons one after another. Then keep pressing the side button. You don't need to drag the power off slider, the phone will turn off automatically and show you the Apple logo. When you see a cable pointing to a laptop icon, release the button. Now, your device is in recovery mode. Suppose you have an iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. Connect it to the computer, keep holding the volume down and side button for around 20 to 30 seconds at the same time. Let go of the buttons when the recovery mode screen shows up. Suppose you have an iPhone 6s and an older model, connect the device to the computer and keep pressing the home button and the power button together. When the recovery mode screen comes out, release the buttons. At this time, iPhone Unlocker should recognize your unavailable iPhone and show its information on the screen. If not, you need to select the information according to your device by yourself and click the Start button. Now, a suitable firmware package will be downloaded for your device to remove the lock screen passcode. It may take a couple of minutes. Just wait for it to finish. Once done, you will see a help screen that says the unlocking process will wipe all the data on your iPhone. If you confirm to do that, enter 0000 and click the Unlock button. Now the unlocking progress begins. Head over to your iPhone, it is being erased now. The latest iOS software will install on your device later. This process may take a while, but once the tool notifies you that your iPhone has been unlocked successfully, the lock screen passcode is also removed. You can disconnect the device from the computer and set it up. Apart from the Erase iPhone method, the other official way to remove the lock screen passcode is to use Find iPhone in iCloud. It allows you to remove the forgotten passcode and reset it to its factory settings remotely, so long as you have a network connection and remember your Apple ID credentials. Now, let's dive in. Open iCloud.com in a web browser and sign into the Apple account according to the unavailable iPhone. Select Find iPhone on the home page, wait a short while, and a map with all of your current Apple devices will be shown on the site. Find your unavailable iPhone in the drop-down menu and then click it. Then you need to reconfirm if it is the inaccessible one. Once verified, click the Erase iPhone option, then click Erase option to confirm the execution. Next, it will require you to enter the Apple ID password. Once entered, the iPhone will be erased. It is a quick process. Around 2 minutes after loading, it will be returned to its factory settings. Now you can follow the on-screen prompts to set up your device. The previous backup can be restored on the Apps and Data screen. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can get help from here. If it does, don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe to AppGeeker channel. See you next time.